Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by confirming essentials. Your laptop camera works and the browser has camera permission. Open the camera app or a browser tab where Get User Media can run. Once done, sign into your Google account and keep photos. Google. Open in another tab. Make sure the camera app is using the correct webcam. If you have two, select the internal camera. This gets you into capture mode fast, so you can begin taking images without wasting time on extra setup. You now capture images, aim, frame, and press the shutter in the camera app or the web capture interface. Once a photo is taken, save it to your Pictures/Camera folder so uploads are consistent. Rename files or add a timestamp to avoid duplicates and track versions. If using the browser capture, download to the same folder. Make sure files are standard JPEG or PNG so Google Photos accepts them without conversion. This organized approach speeds the next. To finish, switch to Photos. Google. And click Upload, then Computer. Select the folder you saved into and choose the newest images. Once uploaded, move them into an album or add descriptions for searchability. Verify upload quality in Settings. Choose Original Quality if you need full resolution. If an image fails, make sure cookies and camera permissions are enabled, clear the browser cache, or try a different browser. These fixes resolve most upload hiccups. After that, your laptop photos are safely in Google Photos.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.